So are you a little bit new to the Windows operating system and you're finding some functions very hard for you to do? Okay, like sending files from your system to a flash drive, or from your phone to a flash drive, or your desktop, or a document. So the only thing you need to do now is to mount. If you want to use your phone, like on the screen here, you'll see I'm using Tecno F1 and I have a flash drive here. Okay, so the only thing you need to do is to mount any device you want to use in your computer system. Then let's try to copy something. So wait a moment. Yeah, let me go back to pictures. On the pictures, I want to copy an image from here. So the first image I want to copy this image. So I'll right click on it and I'll click on copy. Now right click is for options. So you right click and click on copy. Then I will go back to where I can access my devices and drives. Okay. So in this place, this is my phone. This is my local disk, and this is my flash drive. So I want to put it in the flash drive. So open the flash drive, and these are files in my flash drive. They're movies. Okay. So what I want to do next is, this is a blank place. I can just right click and paste it there, or press Ctrl Shift and N to create a new folder, just like this. I just press Ctrl Shift and N to create this new folder. So I'll rename the folder to Pix1. That's the name I want to use. Then I'll right click on it and click on paste. It will enter. Okay, so it's very simple. You can enter directly to paste it, or you right click on the file and paste it. So secondly, to start a new folder using without using shortcuts, you just right click and you click on new. Okay, then click on folder. So you have a new folder automatically here. You just name it, maybe Pix2. Then you right click on it and click on paste. You'll see the image inside the folder. It's very well. So we have two folders in this drive in my system. So you see I copied it from my picture down to the drive. So if I want to copy this image from my drive, okay, this Pix1, I want to copy it from my drive down to my phone. So you see the storage of my phone is full, so I want to put it under the SD card. So let me look at the folder I want to put it inside. So I want to put it in library. Then I'll right click in our empty place, then click on paste. The folder I copied from the flash drive is presently now in my phone. Okay, so this is how I copied this down to this place. Then locate the library. So you know what? So for you to delete, I'll right click and I'll delete it from here. When you cut maybe from your flash drive to your phone, you are eliminating it from your phone, taking it up from your phone down to your flash drive. That means you won't have a copy in your phone, so you only have the copy in your flash drive. So when you lose the one in your flash drive, you can't go back to your phone to access it because you don't have a duplicate. Okay, so for the cut, you just right click here, then you click on cut. Okay, you click on cut, then you see it will dim. Then it will go back to our phone. So I'm cutting from my flash drive down to my phone now and to library. So I'm going to right click and I'll paste it here. So here is it, Pix2. So it's no longer here. It can only be found in where in my phone. Yes, in my phone, in my SD card. And my SD card, it can only be found inside library. So that's how you transfer files from one drive to another. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.